Hello, thank you for clicking on this video. Here I will be showing you how I will transfer my SLP from my RONIN wallet to Binance. This is the first time that I'm doing this. So good luck to me, no? I hope my SLP don't get lost or anywhere. Anyway, the tutorials that I've watched before it looks very easy and straightforward. So I'm gonna try the steps now. What we need to have open is our Ronin wallet. So we have it here. And today I have only 7,193 SLP. The goal is to transfer that SLP to our Binance. So eventually later we can trade. So yeah, the two accounts are open. What we need to do next is go to our wallet, go to fiat and spot, and then look for SLP. So it's here. We will choose the smooth love potion and then hover to the right. We will click on deposit. So it'll lead you to this page. Next is we will select a network, deposit to Ronin or Ron, because our SLP is going to come from here. So we click on that. There's a warning that the prefix of the Ronin wallet should be from OX to Ronin. So we click OK. But we can now actually just ignore that warning because the address is already prefixed with Ronin. This is an old warning. So we click here to copy the address, and then we go to our Ronin wallet, which is here. There's our SLP, so we click send because we are going to send it to Binance. So paste, and then the asset is our SLP. We're going to max that out because we're going to transfer everything, and then we click on next. OMG, OMG. As you can see, for this transaction, it has, there's no transaction fee. So we just need to click on confirm, and now it's trying to transfer. Transaction is still pending, but it's there. So we go back to our Binance account and see if it's already here. Just need to refresh that. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's not here yet kasi baka it's still loading here. See, the transaction is still pending. So we'll just wait for a little bit. Yeah, the value ng SLP last night, I think the highest was 6.08 pesos. And today, let's see how much na lang. Today is at 4.68, so it decreased. So hopefully it will pump up again later tonight. So I'm just waiting for that. Because I need the money now and I need to convert these SLPs into real money, peso. We still see our SLP here in our inventory. So I think it's still zero now. So I think the transfer was already successful. As you can see, we have 0 assets now. Oh, and pray to God that it's here. Okay, here we go. We now have our 7193 intact with zero gas fees or transaction fees. So we have in our Binance account that amount. So for us to trade, I think we need to go back to this page and then we go to P2P trading. So here's that page and we click on where's our SLP? Okay, bakit USDT to lahat? We're going to sell. No, payments, fiat. We click on PHP. So um sorry, we need to, no, not buy, we're going to sell. Okay, actually I really don't know how to do this next eto, okay, andito na pala siya, SLP. So the current, sorry, it was just loading. So the current rate is at 4.01. Historically, at least last night, this was at 6.08. So we're gonna wait for it to pump up again for a little bit before we trade. So there is like payment methods. You can send it to your Gcash account or bank transfer or even to your bank accounts. Yeah, BDO, BPI, and coins.ph. So that will be in another video when I finally decide to sell my SLP. So that was easy as 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. No, not see you. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Stay sane, kind, and confident.